Alright guys, in this video I am going to review on Nokia 5110. So hey guys, I'm Ikhtier and you are watching ARZONE. So if you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe this channel and turn on the notification so that you can find these kinds of tech news regularly. So without wasting any more time, let's begin. Okay guys, Nokia 7110, its announced date is 1998 and its body dimensions is 132 into 47.5 into 31 weight is 170 gram, and it has also mini SIM, and its display type is monochrome graphic, and resolution is 5 lines, and it doesn't have card slot and memory, and it doesn't have camera also, and its battery capacity is 600 milliampere. Standby time is 40 to 180 hours. Talk time is 2 hours to 3 hour 20 minutes. And colors are expressed on covers, 4 basic and 7 metallic. So that is the specifications of this Nokia 5110. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye.